Today on MHC Sign and Design, we're going to be applying a decal here on a Chevy Express van. And then we're going to put some graphics up onto these windows. We're going to white them out so people cannot see in. So let me show you how to put a quick decal on a truck. Okay, so as you see, we've got some tape. And for our decal, we clean the surface off with rubbing alcohol and a rag. I have an applicator tool, and obviously I need a tape measure. So, a lot of places on a van are not square, or not straight, or not uniform. We have a very straight line across right here. So, I'm going to measure from here to here, and from here to here. Flat letter, flat letter. 3 inches, 3 inches. You use whatever measurement you feel is right. Center it across here, center it across here, okay? I've placed my 2 pieces of tape and it's holding in place. Now I'm gonna take an additional piece of tape and use this as my hinge. I'm gonna put that in the center, come straight down and put that in the center. Okay, my decal is going to apply right there. So I'm going to take my squeegee right here and I'm going to peel this off just like this. Now I have something to guide myself onto. Peel this off. Now when you peel this, this is the backer, throw that away. This is the part that's going to apply to the door. All the black that you see right there is sticky. It's adhesive. So it's exposed. So you don't want to put fingerprints on it. You don't want to get dirt or dust on it. You want to peel this part away. Throw that piece away. Now you have this whole piece is exposed. You don't need to worry about that. It's taped down. I kind of skip that middle area a little bit. Give myself about ½ an inch. And go open area. Inside, out, inside, out. Point the squeegee in the way you want it to apply. And squeegee that down really, really well. Okay, now you do not need these. Same thing with this, you peel this back, then you can line that up. You're going to peel all this further back than what you need. As you can see, that part I did not apply to the van. So I'm going to set that like that. Sometimes things like to get a little bit tricky. That won't be a problem. Peel all that. If you do have an issue, take your tape, hold your piece. Hold your vinyl application in place and apply that right where you want it. Okay, that'll hold for right now. Peel that off. All that's exposed. Squeegee. Push down everything in place really, really well. Then peel all the stuff you don't need off. When we get the phone, we'll take a closer look. Okay, let's take a close look at this. Now the vinyl that we used Oracal High Performance Cast 751 Gloss Black. There you go. Let's do the windows.